ViewSpection's Inspector app transforms the loss control experience by putting best practices in the hands of every inspector. ViewSpection can be used for exterior inspections, interior inspections, or commercial inspections. Download the app and let's see how it works. ViewSpection's dashboard allows you to select quotes to visit and then review the cases which have been assigned to you, select one, and review the information that has been entered. In the question section, ViewSpection allows the field inspector to capture information about the property and the occupancy in the way that you would on a typical paper-based form. The questions are set up to allow for the most efficiency and are predominantly checkbox oriented. As you see, there's a number of different types of questions here. ViewSpection was developed for speed. With every image that you capture, you will build a professional grade report, and your report will be done by the time you walk back to the car. With ViewSpection, the inspector is guided in completing a 360-degree tour of the property. With their app, they're able to select the section that they're working in, go to that portion of the building, and from there capture an image. That image is labeled and automatically integrated into the report that is being built as they take each photo. Now we continue on with our 360 tour of the property, moving to the entrance door and capturing the image, saving it, building the report as we go, moving along. Now we're at the right side and capturing the image again, and now to the left side. On our way to the back of the house, we can stop and capture the image of the sidewalk. From the rear of the property, we're able to observe the entire back of the structure and capture the images, as well as respond to the field questions and defects that are related to the roof and get the zoomed in photo of the roof structure. Next, we can capture images of the yard simply by selecting which portion of the yard and capturing the image and saving it. Then we can move on to identify things which are not present, such as outbuildings and steps. Those will be noted in the report. Let's move on to capturing defects and creating recommendations. It's as easy as selecting debris under defects, taking an image of the debris in the wheelbarrow, saving it, and a recommendation is created in the report. Creating a custom defect is just as simple. Just select custom defect, take the image, save it, and then type in the defect label and then dictate the recommendation.
Remove fire pit as it creates a fire hazard.
Of course, you can always type in the recommendation rather than dictate it. Wrapping things up, add in any comments or narrative to add detail to the report. Then click Upload and your report is complete. ViewSpection's Inspector app remakes risk management for the inspector by removing tedious and time-consuming efforts that add no value to the process. This exterior report was completed in less than 5 minutes, and next we're going to take a look at the amazing output with no office time required. Let's review the ViewSpection report. This report was completed 100% from the input by the inspector on their smartphone. Once the ViewSpection was uploaded, the inspector could edit or review the report prior to sending in to their home office. 5 minutes field time, 0 minutes office time. Thank you for your time in viewing this ViewSpection video. For more information, check out www.viewspection.com.